Most people believe learning a new skill takes forever. You hear numbers like 10,000 hours, and suddenly the goal feels huge, distant, and exhausting before you even begin. So your brain does something reasonable. It decides the mountain is too big and quietly walks away before the climb even starts. But here's the surprising truth. You don't need mastery to enjoy a skill. You only need to become good enough to have fun. Research shows something interesting. The first 20 hours of practice create the fastest improvement you will ever experience. 20 hours sounds big, but look closer. It's just 30 minutes a day for about 40 days. Step 1 is removing friction. If practicing feels complicated, your brain will always choose something easier. Step 2 is breaking the skill into smaller pieces. Big skills are just many tiny skills stacked together. Step 3 is learning just enough to begin, a little instruction, then immediate practice. The first few hours will feel awkward. Your movements are clumsy, mistakes appear everywhere. That's normal. But awkward practice is not failure. It is your brain building new pathways. Around hour 10, something interesting happens. Your brain starts recognizing patterns. By hour 20, you are no longer terrible. In fact, you are surprisingly capable. And once you're decent, motivation changes. Practice stops feeling like work and starts feeling like play. This is the real trick to learning fast. Make the starting point small enough that your brain cannot say no. Learning a skill isn't about 10,000 hours. It's about starting the first 20.